It's time once again for Two Canoes Hot Tip. Ditch that mouse, hide that trackpad, get ready to open an app and file like a pro. First, click on the desktop to bring the Finder to the front. Press Command-Shift-A and the application folder will come up. Type the letter T to go to Text Edit. Then press Command-O to open Text Edit. Now let's open a file. Again, press Command-O, but this opens the Text Edit's Open dialog. Then type the first letter of the file you want to open. In this case, it is T again. Then press Enter to select the Open button. You have now ditched that trackpad and you're able to open up an application and then a file like a pro. This has been a Two Canoes Hot Tip. Your dexterity has now gone up 3 points. Congratulations.